So in this video, I'll be walking you through the Postlab for lab for identifying cations. The Postlab assignment is pretty straightforward, it's pretty simple. The hard work is with the procedure itself. So there's only two things that you have to do for the Postlab, and one is report what the flame looks like for all of these different substances, and then also what the flame looks like when you're viewing it through that little cobalt glass, that blue glass thing. And this is just looking for like a really brief description. What color is it? Maybe did it sparkle a little bit? Like, you don't have to go into a ton of detail. And then the other part that you have to do is upload both. So there's going to be two screenshots or pictures showing that you successfully identified your unknowns. So in the lab itself, you're going to be given an unknown and you have to figure out what it is. And when you have successfully figured out what your unknown is, you're going to get a screen where all the boxes are green. This is going to make sense to you when you're doing the lab. Once you get that picture where all the boxes are green, you're either going to use your computer to take a screenshot, or you could use your cell phone just to take a picture of your screen. And you need to upload both of those images along with your lab assignment. So you have two options for how to do this. You can upload 3 separate documents. You could upload this assignment plus picture number 1 plus picture number 2. They can all be uploaded into Canvas. Or some students like to take those pictures and cut and paste images of the pictures into the Postlab assignment so they can just upload one document. I have absolutely no preference on how you go about doing that. Just make sure that you don't forget. The one thing that I don't like when students do is when they upload this into Canvas but email me the screenshots. It's just harder for me to keep track of everything. So my only preference is that everything goes into Canvas and nothing comes to my email. But that's all you have to do for this assignment. Like I said, the hard part for this lab is with your unknown identification. That's where you're going to really be doing all of the work.